Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can remove page title in any kind of pages that you have, posts or whatever you want. So first of all, please go ahead and open your WordPress dashboard. You just go into wordpress.com and log it in, and then wordpress.com/wp-admin, and then putting up your informations, login, username and password, and then you will have this dashboard in here. So after doing so, make sure that you have in mind what page do you want to change. For example, let me check this page, for example. Yeah, so let's go to tutorial number 3 or tutorial number 3, yeah, or number 1. So for example, this one, what you have to do, sorry guys, yeah, I would play Minecraft. What you have to do is go to dashboard, so pages, and from here we go to page tutorial number 1. So from here you can click on quick edit or edit. So for example, let's do both. So quick edit, here you can edit the title and remove it. If I remove this, I click update, there is no title. If we went to the site again, visit site, and here you go, no title in here as well. Also you can just go to edit. Wait, let me give it a title now, tutorial 1, something like that. That's good. And from here you can click on edit, and here you go. From here I can change it and make it empty again, and after that I go to update. So basically there is some people that want to even change the URL. For example, in here I have tutorial 001. If you want to change it, you can come here as well. For example, quick edit, and this flag, I will change it to whatever I want. So let's do something like page 1, and then save it. Of course you can even change the date, give it a password so no one can edit it again or do anything to it, and then click on update. So after doing so, you click on your visit site, tutorial 1, and now I have it, page 1. So that was it with today's tutorial guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.